Lesson 7. Low 2's. Learning to play with low 2's is a significant step in your violin's journey. Congratulations! Thus far, you have always played a high 2 or with a peace sign using your index and middle fingers, creating a whole step. To play a low 2, you transition from peace to squeeze, creating a half step between your index and middle finger. Here's a demonstration of how a low 2 looks when holding the violin guitar style. And here's a demonstration of how a low 2 looks when holding the violin in its proper position. This violin diagram shows the notes for the low 2 position across all four strings. On the G string, a low 2 is a B flat. On the D string, a low 2 is an F natural. On the A string, a low 2 is a C natural. And on the E string, a low 2 is a G natural. As an example, to correctly answer a low 2 on the E string, you must select three keys: G for the note G, 2 for the middle finger, and L for low finger. A very common key signature that uses low 2's on the violin is G major. If you look at this diagram, you will notice that the 2's are low on A and E strings. In the key of G major, you'll notice a sharp at the beginning of the staff, making every F an F sharp. Since B natural is a high 2 on the G string and we have an F sharp creating a high 2 on the D string, we're left with low 2's on A and E strings. The most common mistake when playing in G major is not correctly switching between high and low 2's when moving between D and A strings. In this example, you must select or play a low 2 as there is no sharp next to the C or in the key signature. In this example, the C has a sharp next to it, so in this measure only, you must play high 2's as C sharp. In this example, you must first play a high 2 for C sharp, as we have a C sharp in the key signature, but then a low 2 in the second measure, as the natural cancels the C sharp, creating a low 2.